Hello, Scratchers! And today, what? Hello, Scratchers! And today we're back with another Scratch video. So in today's video we're going to make NPCs so you can add to any one of your Scratch games. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is have an NPC character. So choose a sprite. Though you can choose whatever sprite you want, but I'm going to go with Abby. You can also paint your own sprite or import your own by going to costumes and down here. Now I only want one Abby costume, so you can delete the rest. Okay, now how about we name this something other than Abby? Maybe our player sprite would be nice. How about we name the sprite name NPC, or that stands for non-playable character. So this Abby is a bit too big, so let's get some setup code done. When green flag clicked, go to X position and Y position, wherever you want on the screen. Then you want to make sure we are shown, so looks and a show block. So costume to play will be also nice. And how about we also make our size a bit larger? How about we a bit smaller? Set it to 55. Now, this first section is going to be about AI. So how do we do that? Well, to do that, we want blocks to follow. So our player follow those blocks all around. So make a new sprite, naming it blocks. Okay, so now we have our block sprite. We want a left, right, up, down. Okay, so left. Okay, do that. Okay, so we have this player all set it up that we want. But how about we make it say something when we start off? So go to looks and say hello for, let's say hello for 2 seconds. Yeah, let's test it out. Click that green flag. And as we see, we have saying hello. So how about we ask and wait? So we can ask, what's your name? And wait. Okay. So how about we make a new variable, naming it name. So we want to set name, sensing to the answer sprite. And then, well, we want her to say another thing. So how about we say, name and for how many seconds? How about we do length of name? Testing that out now. So how about my name is Waf. And how about we test that out? Tick that there. And as you can see, it should be, as we can see, we have it showing up there. So that's some good speak bubbles. Now how about we make this NPC move? Now I want this to have its custom AI. So how about we get a forever sprite? We want to change our X by 10. And then how about we repeat until that until we are touching edge. And then if we are touching the edge, duplicate this. If we're touching the edge, then we want to change. Now we want to change Y. Yes, change Y by 10. Now we need to swap these around actually. So we have that down on the back, testing that out now. So our NPC says hello and asks what's our name. I'm gonna say cat. Click that tick. Should be 3 seconds, and then it's gonna move there. Now that's a bit buggy. I'm gonna change X by 10, but instead I'm gonna change X by -10. So how about we test that out again? Okay, click that wing flag. My name is Cat. Cat. Oh, I do like that. But how about we make some fireworks to make for New Year's? Now, as I'm talking about fireworks because it's almost New Year's. Tomorrow will be New Year's Eve. So how about we make some fireworks? You can put this in the platforming series, the top-down micro series, the Pac-Man series, or any series you want. So name it Fireworks. So, the fireworks here. Now, how about we make the firework fin, where the fireworks come out? So make a square, make it any color you want. I'm gonna keep the default color. And how about we copy and paste that? So it is over here. I'm gonna move that over there though. And then I'm gonna move this over here. Let's make the X 0 and the Y add that back, and now we have that there. So click into the code section. When flag clicked, go to that position. And then you want a show block to complicate that. So now we want some firework particles. So name the next sprite particles. Now how about we do this? We only want to do this. We want to check if our end, let's get a end block out here, and 2 equals in both end sides. Now on this one, and on the left side of this one, we want a current, the current date. We want the current date to be the 1st, and the current month to be the month. So that would be the 1st of the month, which is January the 1st, which is New Year's Day. But how about we make another end statement to make sure it's exactly 12 o'clock. So yes, there we go. How about we get these in here by duplicating, remove that other end block, or keep it actually, drag that there, and drag this here, giving us our new end block. Oh, this is long. Now if our current hour equals 12, which that should be good, and our current minute is 0, 0, that means it is exactly the 1 for 12 o'clock. Now how about we make a counter for that? So how about we get another green flag to make this counter? So we want to basically make more variables. So we want let's go days, minutes, and hours, and seconds. Okay, so get a forever loop out. And we want to set days, duplicate that block, set hours, and then duplicate these blocks, and then set minutes, and set seconds. So we all want to set this to, so we're going to set days to the current date, set hours to the current hour, set minutes to the current minute, and set seconds to the current seconds. Okay, press that green flag. Now as you can see, time is going up, as you can see. And as you can see, it is 59. So that is really, really, really good. How about we though make these a bit more better by doing this. So days is in front. 30 days, 5 hours. 5 seconds, 12 hours, and in 4 minutes it is here. So we have a time here. So go back to the firework sprite. How about we duplicate this and then put it in the particle sprite? So I can't find. Drag it into the particle sprites and click yes. Then you want a green flag, and there we go. Now we want to first of all go to our fireworks. So if current day equals 1 and current month equals 1, we want to go to fireworks and delete that go to block there. Now that is all good. We also want to broadcast a new message. How about naming it fireworks? Okay, so broadcast that. When I'll see fireworks, how about we do a forever block there? I'll repeat until we'll do wonders as well. So we want this to be basically a ball. So make a ball shaped thing by using the circle tool in Scratch, or you can upload your own, customize, and you get it by now. Making sure it's snapped to the center. Now I will change the size something down to like 55. Now you can move this back in. So it's gonna go to our fin, but we want it to change it basically, if that makes any sense. So repeat until we are touching the edge, and if we are, repeat until touching edge. So we want to change our X by 10 and change a Y by 10 at the same time, giving us that diagonal movement. Oh yes, put that block as fireworks on top for now, and I go to fireworks on top of that. So as you can see, that is all good and it's going up. But how about we make it a bit more colourful? So all we need to do is change colour by 25 maybe, giving us that rainbow look. It's going a bit too fast though. So how about we cycle it by 5? Or maybe 10, or maybe 13. Yeah, a rainbow fin. But if we are touching the edge, we want to go back to the firework spot. So if touching edge, then go to fireworks. Testing that out now. We have a repeat loop here. So that is very good. In the next section, we'll improve our NPC and improve these fireworks. Hope you like this section. Make sure you do like and subscribe. Let's get on to the next section.